everybody, this is Hema from Shivani's Boutique, spreading colors globally. What's new today in Shivani Boutique? Today it's going to be silk cotton sarees of casual wears. We can wear it for offers and everything. So this is the new concept in silk cotton where the borders or both the sides or satin borders. So it's a simple saree with borders attached. It's an attached border, satin border, and the blouse is there. I wanted to show the blouse where for the blouse the sleeves is a little bit of frilled sleeves. You can see a frilled sleeves on this, and the second color is this what I am wearing. And then this once again is silk cotton. It's a plain silk cotton without any work. Just like that you can wear it, or else you can mix and match the blouses however you wanted to. Such a beautiful saree. This is the saree as such. This is the color, and the blouse is a contrast matching pink, pale pink color blouse. And once again I have got that is a plain saree. This comes with abla works all over. That is hand embroideries all over. So it is a Ganga Jamuna border basically. See, this is the saree. Nice saree. These are all alright. This is the saree and this is the pallu. Then for rest of the portion it comes this way. So it's like a alright. For the pleated portion it comes this way. It's a block printed saree, alright, and have got a purple matching as well. Lovely color it is. So whichever you, all the three colors are pretty great. So this is a purple matching. See this. So the saree shoulder pallu is this, and then inside portion is also this in the saree. That saree is different and this saree is different. You have got multicolored threads with abla works, alright. And the next saree is this. Once again it's a silk cotton saree. I have got two beautiful colors in this. It's just a print on the border. It's not embroidery, it's just print on the border. Simple and subtle saree. And the highlighting part of the saree is the pallu part. Something really nice and new. This is the pallu part. This is the saree as such, and the blouse is this way. It's a plain striped blouse. Can make some copper embroideries on this and do some wonderful ideas however you wanted to. And then comes this, the next saree. It's a black color. See, this is so beautiful. And once again it's a copper colored print on the saree. See this portion, and then this is the vertical striped blouse part for this. Then comes our little bit of value added concept. See, this is a half and half saree, and this is a semi silk fabric, and then this is the pallu fabric. Okay, shoulder pallu is of this multicolored, and this is the blouse for this. Mostly for the pleat area it's a plain one. It's a little bit of cottonish as well, alright. And I have got, that is only one color I have got in this. The second one is this. See, these are all printed hand block printed saree, batik. And then this is the pallu part for this, and the blouse is a jacquard blouse. Then comes our half noyal fabric it is. So nice simple saree, and it listens to you a lot. So very easy maintenance as well. It's a beautiful maroon color saree with silver zari borders on both the sides. And this is the pallu part, and the blouse is a contrast matching blouse where I have one more color. It's a peacock blue color. Let me see what matching is there inside for you guys. Let me show. It's a navy blue color blouse, and this is the pallu part. Alright, and I've got two sarees in this of different, that is different border, and this comes with a different border. It's a magenta color saree. See this. So nice and beautiful it is, and this is the blouse part, and the pallu is this. Such a beautiful concept. I love this saree, and it's very simple and neat wear, office wear, work from home wear, even at house you can wear a nice saree, so that it gives you a beautiful Something special about ourselves. Dress up neatly all the time. My father used to be like that. All time he dresses neatly. Even now it is like that way only. So fresh and fine. See, this is a Bengal cotton sari. It's a very soft cotton sari, and the border is this jute finish border on both the sides. Ganga Jamna, black and blue. This is a jute finish pallu portion, and then the blouse is a contrast matching blouse. This is really a soft cotton, okay? And the next color I have gotten this is this. It's a contrast matching copper sulphate blue with blue with a pink. So nice. So where the blue comes on the upper portion. So this is the way it looks. It's a Bengal soft cotton sari. And then the blouse is this contrast matching blouse. And the next sari is this. It's a Bengal cotton soft cotton sari with Ganga Jamna borders on both the sides. See, you can see navy blue and copper sulphate blue. The copper sulphate blue comes over here at the top. See, this is the pallu part. It's a jute finish pallu, and this is how the sari look. And yes, and this is a contrast matching blouse for this. All right, the next sari is a half tezer sari. So pretty, and for this range, it's really great. All right, so this is how the sari look, and I have got a contrast matching blouse for this sari. So this is the pallu part, and this is the blouse part for the sari. And then the next comes this. Once again, it's a Bengal cotton sari. So this is the cotton sari. It's a very soft cotton. Bengal cotton means you can understand how it is. You can't starch this. You can wear as such, and the blouse is this. It's a contrast matching blouse part. All right, and then comes, see, this is something really good and fine. Let me check for the fabric. It's a half chanderi fabric. See this with lines, nice design. It's a floral digital printing all over. Casual wears, these are all easy maintenance, and this is the pallu part for this, and the blouse is a contrast matching blouse. Where I have got beautiful colors in this. If you have any queries, you can WhatsApp 9585501762 as our WhatsApp number. So see this color, it's so nice and fine. It's very easy maintenance, and this is a check blouse, and the other fabric is one and the same, only the digital prints are entirely different in this. Digital is going to rock this year. So this is how it is. So this is the pallu part for this, and once again the blouse is a printed one, blue color printed one. Next comes the sari. It's an organza kind of sari, which is really unique, something different. The one thing is the fabric, and the second thing is, let me show what it is. See, this is the sari. Nice, beautiful sari. This sari can't be pleated. You can just like wear it in a single pleat like this way. Why? Means you have got two layers in this. You can find two layers in this. So this layer will be completed over here. Like for the rest of the portion, this is single layered. Okay. Only for the shoulder pallu, this comes as a two layer, and you can find two different designs in it. Something really nice and fine. Whoever loves to wear single pleat, you can go for the sari. And I have got nice beautiful digital prints in all the sari. It's a half organza, so pretty and beautiful. Let me check for the pallu portion. So pallu, it's a two layered pallu. You can see how it is, and this is the blouse part for this, and the pallu is pallu shoulder. It's a two layered one. It's a two layered one. Okay, and then four colors I have got. Whoever loves wearing single pleated can definitely go for the sari. It's so beautiful. And then my last color is this. All are nice, sober, subtle English colors. So this is how the sari, look of the sari is this. Hope you guys can understand. And the blouse part is this striped blouse. All right, and anything left? we have done with the show. Thank you so much. For any assistance, 958550176 is our WhatsApp number. www.shivanisboutique.com is our website ID. So thank you so much. We'll meet you soon and bye.